What's going on, guys? We're back in another YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be trying the squishy. I bought this for $5 for Daddy's truck. So I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. So next, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh look, guys, it's the red squishy dumplings thing. I bought it $5. So the next one is the second opening mystery. So I'm gonna open the second one and see what's inside. Hey guys, this will be the last one. The second one. Hey guys. 3, 2. Oh look, guys, it's a purple dumplings. I bought this from $5. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching for my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe button. See you in the next video for today. Bye guys, and have a good day.